He has arrived. Marcus, I've been expecting you. I've been expecting your presence. Oh, what in the world? Where's the hole? I thought you were gonna try it out. Oh, you! Sneaky you! Okay, hey listen. Maybe you should, what, you wanna either pull all the way in or pull back? I'm gonna pull my car inside so we can sit inside and do this.
Yeah, I need a shade on.
Hey, I like how you transfer your wheels now.
I keep them in there all the time.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not moving them.
That's your storage?
Right.
Okay, so what do you got?
It's turned down, polished, tapered.
You wanna take a little closer look?
And you got your holes in there. We'll see if it fits.
Hold on, one second. Okay, I can see that. All right, so you got to taper it in, huh?
Tapped it.
Wow, it has 3. Wow, that's nice.
3
Ooh,
steps.
thing's heavy, dude.
Yeah.
Wow. Fingerprints on it? This is sick. Wow. I think I might even like the size of it. All right, let's get in here. Let's take that little temporary off. Just removing it. Okay. Wow, this is gonna be epic. I love the term now. Excuse me. I love the term epic now. Okay. All right, here he goes. Moment of truth. Okay, it's actually, you got the thread right.
Yeah.
So that's good. Dude. Are you for real? Like it actually worked?
Look at that little thing. We didn't think about that. I gotta cover that up somehow too. See that?
Wow, that is heavy. Dude, that feels great. Wow. No, it feels great, man. It feels good. I'm wondering if I should keep it that size or not. But, I mean, it looks pretty big. What do you think? Maybe go a little bit smaller, like we had in the beginning.
Take off 1/4 of an inch.
Let me see.
Or, I mean, you're gonna have a curve up at the top too, right?
Well, yeah, you actually made it a little bigger,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So you can take this part off. So we just kind of like your hand.
Yeah, I can take it off. I made it to the longer size.
Oh, I see. I want you to comment below to let me know what you guys think. Let us know what you think about this shifting knob. I think we're probably gonna shrink it. I mean, cut it down a little bit, make it a little shorter. I'm not sure how much we're gonna go down.
You can't go too far. Man, how deep that thread is.
Yeah, it is deep thread. So we can't go down too far, but we are gonna shrink it. All right, guys, comment below. What do you want to do at the bottom, like this area? What do you think? What are you gonna? Any ideas for this? Think making maybe a little base for it, or what?
Base with an angle on it.
Yeah.
Put a counter bore in it so it just pushes down, tightens up against it.
I think that'll be kind of cool, wouldn't it? So basically, what the idea is, put something like this as a base, which is, I think the diameter of the whole thing is good because it goes right on top of the OEM little backing plate, whatever's here. And then we just shrink this and make this sit, you know, right in the middle, the center of it, and then you just tighten with it. You know what I mean?
We'll worry about. I'm not gonna put the grooves in yet. We'll worry about it later.
Here's one of those for you. Look at this thing. Awesome. Man, that thing's sweet. It feels good. This is aluminum and this is a huge difference. We should go weigh it out. I got a scale somewhere. See how much this thing weighs. But this is definitely sweet. Okay, cool beans. Well, Mark, thank you so much, bro.
Bye, folks.
Perfect timing.
I got it that time.
You got it that time, bro. Guys, comment below. Please comment below. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Hey, Horace, come check out this shift knob. Another advisor.
Close my eyes and pretend that I'm not here.
We're trying to end this vlog, but it's just not happening.
Faces talk about problems I don't care.
Alright. So you know how in performance cars they throw crap out for weight reduction?
Uh-huh.
This is gonna kill 10 horsepower off your car. This one will gain 15.
Okay, but now consider this. You're driving down the road, somebody starts road raging with you. You open your window, which one will work better? That one or that one?
To throw?
Yes.
Usually I just throw a Mountain Dew or something at them.
No, that's not going to do any damage. Which one would do more damage?
This sticky soda will get on their paint. If the sun will hit it, their paint will start eating.
Okay, what if you don't have a soda?
Man, Who doesn't have a soap? How does it feel? Try driving it.
Well, why don't you check it out? And then we're gonna have a bass like that, something similar to a bass, except you know, for that the booth to be nice and compact.
Yeah, if you make it shorter, kind of shorter shifting.
I know, right? That one's like you cannot miss it. I think just do what we talked about, Mark. And I think that's gonna be good. Guys, comment below. That's where we at with the shift knob. Mark, once again, thank you. Boris, thank you for your review. It was very helpful, bro. Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.